we see the examples on the shift of the origin. When given a old coordinate and shift the origin at any point, then find the new coordinates, or when given a new coordinates and we want to find the old coordinates by using the shift of the origin. Okay, here the example, if the origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 3, origin is shifted from 0, 0 to 2, 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find a new coordinates of the point. Okay, here given point. Okay, we solve the first example. Given point, it is A 1, 3. Therefore we can write here x, y, small x, y, it is the old point, it is 1, 3. Okay, that is the old point. Okay, now origin is shifted at O dash, that is 2, 3. That means h, k is equal to 2, 3. Okay, h, k, x, y old point, h, k, it is a shift of the origin, coordinate of the new origin, it is h, k, it is a 2, 3, and therefore here let capital X, y are new coordinates of point. Okay, and therefore we know that here the formula, it is x is equal to capital X plus h and y, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Okay, it is small x, y. Okay, and therefore capital X is equal to, it is x minus h, small x minus h, and capital Y is equal to small y minus k, and therefore the coordinates x, y are x minus h and y minus k, and then it is x minus h, x it is a 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, and 3 minus 3, and therefore new coordinates are x, y are minus 1, 0 are the new coordinates. Okay, see carefully. Okay, are the new coordinates. Okay, directly एवढं सिस्टमॅटिकली लिहित बसायची गरज नाही, तुम्हाला तोंडीच आन्सर काढता येतो. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह मध्ये विचारलं तर डायरेक्टच आन्सर इट इज x minus h, y minus k. तोंडी सांगता येते, इट इज x, y and h, k, x minus h and it is y minus k. Now second example, it is x and y, x minus h, that is 2 minus 2, 0, and 5 minus 3, it is 2. That means the new coordinate of this point B are 0, 2. Okay, तोंडीच काढले, सिंपल एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. ओके, लिहू आपण त्याला. हियर देन सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, it is B 2, 5. That means it is 2, 5. Origin is shifted at 2, 3. Then new coordinates are, it is x minus h, 2 minus 2, y minus k, it is 5 minus 3, and then it is 0, 2. Okay, are the new coordinates. New coordinates of the point 2, 5 are 0, 2 when origin is shifted at 2, 3. Okay, now we see the next example. Here, if the origin is shifted to the point 1, 3, the axis remaining parallel to the original axis, find the old coordinates. Find the old coordinates of the point. It is number 1 C 5, 4, and number 2 point D it is 3, 3. Okay, now here given it is a new coordinate, we want to find the old coordinate. If the origin is shifted at 1, 3, the axis, then find the old coordinates of the point. Okay, these are the new points. Here given that new coordinates of point are x comma y, and that is it is 5, 4. Okay, new coordinates are, it is a x comma y, it is 5, 4 of the point C. Of point, here we can write the name of the point, it is a C. Then origin is shifted at O dash, it is 1, 3. Therefore it is h comma k, it is 1, 3, and therefore old coordinates of point C, it is 5, 4 are, okay, here old coordinate, that is we want to find the x comma y, small x comma y, and x and y, x is equal to capital X plus h, and y is equal to capital Y plus y, or it is x comma y, and that is x plus h, and it is y plus h, and then it is x, new coordinate, it is 5 plus 1 and 4 plus 3, and therefore old coordinates are, it is 6, 7 are the old coordinates. Okay, see carefully. Now like that, it is a point D, and it is the origin, it is capital X and Y, and it is HK, x plus h 4 and 3 plus 3 6, that means the old coordinates are 4, 6 of the second. Okay, here the old coordinates are, it is 4, 6, 3 plus 1 and 3 plus 3, it is 4, 6. Okay, the example let me. Okay, now we see the next example. Next, if the coordinates A 5, 14 change to B 8, 3 by shift of origin, find the coordinates of point where the origin is shifted. The origin is shifted. Okay, now in the last two examples we have given old coordinate, by shifting origin we find the new coordinate. That means given x and y, we find the capital X and capital Y. In the second example, we have given the new coordinates, we find the old coordinate, that is given that the capital X and Y, we find the small x and y. Now here the old coordinates and new coordinates are given, that is small x comma y and new coordinates x comma capital X comma y are the given. We want to find the coordinates of the shifted origin, that is we want to find the h comma k by using this formula. X, capital X, y, capital Y are the given, then we find the value of h and k. Now here given points, here point A 5 comma 14, that is equal to a small x comma y is change or shift is change, sorry, it is change to B 8 comma 3 are the new coordinate, that is x comma y are the old coordinate and are the new coordinate. Okay, then we want to find the coordinate of the origin, that is we want to find the h comma k. Therefore we can write, it is, we know the formula, small x is equal to this and y is equal to this. Then we know that x is equal to x plus h and y is equal to y plus k. Therefore h is equal to x minus x and k is equal to y minus y, and therefore h is equal to x, it is 5 minus x, it is 8, 5 minus 8, and k is equal to y 14 minus 3, and therefore h is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to, it is 11. Therefore coordinates of the shifted origin are h comma k, and that is minus 3 comma 11 are the coordinates of the shifted origin. Now we see the next example. Obtain the new equation of the following loci if the origin is shifted, to the point O dash 2 comma 2, the direction of axis remaining the same here first example, 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, here we find the new equation. Here this equation in the small x and y. Okay, we want to find the new equation that is in the capital X and Y, and capital X and Y are the new coordinates, and capital X and Y, it is the new coordinate. The given equation in the small x and y, given equation is in the small x and y. We want to find the equation in the new coordinate, that is the capital X and capital Y. Therefore x replaces as the x plus h, and y replaces as the capital Y plus k. Then what is the value of h and k? Then it is a shifted origin 2, 2. H is equal to 2 and k is equal to also 2. Now here origin is shifted to the point O dash 2, 2. Okay. Therefore it is h, k are 2, 2. Okay. Now here the given equation in x and y. Okay. Therefore the coordinates of the new points. Okay. Then coordinates of new point okay, here new coordinates of the point. Okay. New coordinates of the points are x, capital X, y. It is x, capital X, y, and then capital X, y are the x minus h, and it is y minus k. We know that here. Okay, we can write here capital X and capital Y is equal to x minus h, and it is y minus k. Okay. Therefore the given equation is, it is 3x minus y plus 2. Given equation is a small x and y. Therefore we can write x is equal to, it is capital X plus h, and it is y is equal to small y. Y is equal to capital Y plus k. Therefore x is equal to x plus 2 and y is equal to, it is y plus 2. Okay. Here are the new coordinates. Okay. It is x is x plus 2, y capital Y plus 2. Therefore the equation, given equation is 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This equation satisfy the all points of small x, y, and then put the value of x, y, that is 3 into x plus 2 minus y plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore you can write 3x plus 6 minus y minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0, and then it is 3x minus y plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, it is plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. It is a new equation, 3x minus y plus 6 is equal to 0, which satisfy the point capital X, y. Okay. Capital X, y are the new coordinates of the point. Old coordinates x, y satisfy this equation. Okay. And then capital X, y satisfy this equation, is the new equation. Okay. Now we see the second example. X square plus y square minus 3x is equal to 7. Okay, here origin is shifted at this point. Given equation, okay, this equation satisfy the old coordinate, that is x comma y. Okay, here given equation, x square plus y square minus 3x is equal to 7. Okay, this equation satisfy the old coordinate x comma y. Okay, here satisfy x comma y. Then the new coordinates small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, and then x is equal to x plus 2 and y is equal to y plus 2. Okay, now put the values in the equation. Okay, therefore equation becomes, it is x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square minus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 7. Okay, now expand. Therefore it is x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 4y plus 4 minus 3x minus 6 and is equal to 7. Now then the new equation, it is x square plus y square 4x and it is minus 3x, it is plus x, then 4y, it is plus 4y, and then 4, it is minus 6, sorry, it is 4 plus 4, it is 8, and 8 minus 6, it is plus 2 and 7 या side ला minus 7, that is minus 5 is equal to 0. It is the new equation, okay, which satisfy the capital X and capital Y, which is new equation which satisfy the new coordinates of the point, that is capital X and capital Y. It is the new equation. Now we see some more example. Here we only put in the equation small x replaced by x plus h and small y replaced by y plus k. h and k are the origin. In this example here 2 and 2. एक्झाम्पल मध्ये ओरिजिन दुसरी दिलेली असली 1,1 4,5 जे काही असेल ते. ओके, इथं पुट करा आणि स्ट्रेट कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Again same, the given equation. Here xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. Then same as, then put the value of x and y in this equation. Therefore you can write x plus 2, y plus 2 minus 2x minus 2y and plus 4 is equal to 0. xy minus 2x plus minus 2y plus 4, xy minus 2x minus 2y and plus 4. Now it is multiplication. Therefore you can write x into y plus 2x plus 2y plus 4. It is a multiplication of these two brackets. Then multiply by minus 2, minus 2x minus 4, multiply by minus 2, minus 2y minus 4, and it is plus 4 is equal to 0. And then last answer, xy 2x plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, plus 2y minus 2y get cancelled. Okay, then remaining is the only constant, plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled and plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, it is 0. Okay, then the new equation is x into y is equal to 0 in the capital. Okay, capital X comma y, it is a new coordinate when shift the origin, then it is a original equation satisfy x comma y. When we shift the origin, the new coordinates of the point, it is capital X comma y, and then this equation satisfy this and new equation satisfy the x comma y. Okay, here x into y equal to 0 is the new equation, then shift the origin. Okay, see carefully.